You will not believe that I finally found a MidJourney alternative that is totally for free. I know you must have heard about MidJourney and I know you must have tried it over and over until you started getting this error message. But guess what? After so many nights of deep research, I finally found a MidJourney alternative that is totally for free. That is, you can create unlimited images for free without any restrictions whatsoever. But if you can afford to pay for MidJourney subscription, please go ahead and do that and scroll away from this video. But if you want to learn the MidJourney alternative, please come closer and let's dive in. So before I introduce this amazing alternative to MidJourney to you, I want to quickly show you how it works so that you can learn everything you need to know about it before you can then sign on. So that when you sign on, you can become an expert and start creating amazing images. So to get started, all you have to do is to come over to Rookies and select any of the rooms. It could be Rookie 80, and then there's this suggestion here, Rookie 84. So you can actually choose any of them. So let's use the Rookie 84 that was suggested by the AI. So here, all I have to do to create amazing image is to come over to this message box and type / and imagine, and then you click on prompt, and then you paste in your prompt. If you have already pre-written it before, I usually pre-write my prompt. But make sure you use professional prompts for this platform so that you can get an amazing image out of it, right? Because if you use shallow prompts, you're going to get shallow images. That's how it works. Don't worry about the prompting for now. Before the end of the video, I'm going to give you prompt examples that you can use and generate awesome images like this. So all I have to do right now is to click on enter, and the AI will go ahead and create an amazing image for us. So if you want to confirm if it has created your image, the normal way people would usually do it is to scroll through these prompts and images and keep looking for yours. And by the time you keep scrolling and scrolling and scrolling, you find out that your image has been drowned. But guess what? All you have to do to find your image is to simply come over here, click on the inbox icon and come over here. You can see our image has been created. And all I have to do now is to click on this jump and you will see it here. So this is our image that the AI created for us. So you can see the prompt that I used in generating this amazing picture. I want you to take note of it, although I will still give you the prompt example in the prompt list that I'm going to give you before the end of this video. So please stick to the end of the video so that you don't miss that prompt example. Just in case you don't know how MidJourney works, let me quickly show you the functionalities and how it works so they can understand how best to use them. So here is a picture that was generated by the AI. It gives you 4 versions, and each version is named version 1, version 2, version 3, and version 4. So that is exactly what appears here. So here is version 1, version 2, version 3, version 4. But this you're seeing here represents upscale. So now this is upscale version 1, upscale version 2, upscale version 3, upscale version 4, right? And then you come over here, this is version 1, version 2, version 3, and version 4. So what this means is that if you like version 3, for instance, and you want other variations of version 3, all you have to do is to click on version 3 and it's going to create another variation of version 3. It's going to create 4 more variations of this version 3 for you. And then this button is simply used for regeneration. Just in case you don't like the image that was created for you, you can use it to regenerate another set of images and then keep doing it over and over again till you get what you love, and then you can keep that. Then this one is for you to delete the entire image from this archive, from this platform, right? Because there are lots of people, as you can see, 121 messages in less than 1 minute. So this is why everything you create here gets swallowed, and that is why you have to go find it in the inbox and then go to mentions and find your image and then work with it. So now that we have this, let's say we love version 2 and we want it to recreate version 2 for us. All we have to do is to click on version 2 and then give us 4 varieties of version 2. And let's see if it has done that. All we have to do is to come over to inbox. If you want to see if it has generated the image for you, come over to your inbox and make sure you are not on the unread part of it. Make sure that you are on the mentions. So click on mentions and then you can see that it's giving us more variation for the version that we selected. So all you have to do is to click on jump to find it on the timeline. So you click on jump here and then it's going to bring you straight to where it's on the timeline. Let's say we love version 3, click on upscale 3, upscale version 3. That is U3, and then it's going to upscale the version 3 for you so you can now use it for whatever you want to use it for. I'm still going to do a tutorial on how you can use this to make money for yourself. Don't miss that tutorial. It's going to come next after this video in few days, please make sure you turn on your post notification so that you don't miss when that video drops. You're going to learn how you can make thousands of dollars using this strategy and making money for yourself, all from the comfort of your home without having to do anything serious, just by prompting the AI, and the AI will be spitting money for you. Now let's quickly go to our inbox and see if it has upscaled the version 3 for us. So click on inbox and you can see this is the version 3 that it has upscaled. Just like I said, it has upscaled the version 3, and you click on jump and you can see here it has upscaled version 3 for us. And for you to save this picture, all you have to do is click on it and right click, and you click on save image as, and then you save it to wherever you want to save it. So this is an amazing way to generate unlimited images for free. If this video has been of any help to you so far, please do me one favor, like this video so that more people can see it and benefit from it just the same way you are benefiting from it. I'm very certain that you're benefiting from this video. So let me quickly show you how to sign up with this platform. So all you have to do is to come over to your browser and type in bluewillow.ai. So here is Blue Willow. You can see join us to create amazing AI generated images, from logos, landscape, characters to digital artwork. Just describe the image you want and our AI image generating tool will create the perfect graphic for your project. It's all free. And for you to register, all you have to do is to click on join the free beta. And then here is going to bring you to their Discord account, and then click on accept invite. So just because I already have an existing account on Discord, it's taking me straight into my Discord account. But if you don't have an existing Discord account, it's going to ask you to create a new Discord account, and then you're going to still find yourself here. So whichever one is totally fine. Just go ahead and sign up with Discord. It's totally free. So once you do that, you just come over here. You can come to suggested and click on Rookie 84 or Rookie 80. Anyone that you want to use is totally fine. You click on Rookie 80 and you're going to see here. You're going to see this, right? If you want to prompt anything, all you have to do is to put your backslash and then type in imagine and then hit enter and type in the prompt that I'm going to be giving you. So to have access to my MidJourney prompt examples that is going to help you create amazing images that are off the hinges, all you have to do is to join my Telegram channel and find it right in there. And to do that, all you have to do is to find the link in the description, click on it, join the channel, then enjoy the prompt examples and some other goodies that is in there. Now, I'm going to recommend that you watch this video next to learn the latest Canva AI tools that is going to blow your mind. Go ahead and watch it now and stay up to date with all the AI tools that Canva came out with this period. Canva did not come to play at all. Kemechan. You can see my prompt here. A mesmerizing, surreal scene of a psychedelic jungle with a majestic yadrizzle.